Hey, what's up, Tron holders? So after a very long time, Tron is take a very huge jump from last 24 hours. So I'm sorry for late video, but this is alert video for all of you because my brother Tron is going in the moon now. So my brother, what's the main reasons to this coin is moving upward, and what's the prediction? What's my opinion? Everything I discuss you in this video. But kindly you need to subscribe this channel. Please, just and only my brother, like this video. Please click out the like button and also subscribe it. Thank you so much, my brother. So Tron is one of the fastest coin and stable coin, my friend, in the crypto market. Therefore, my friend, I'm so happy to in the last 24 hours they take a very short jump, but definitely it's a very good because my brother, after a very long time this coin is starting offer. So I'm so happy, my brother. You can see at this time the chart is completely show you to they will move upward, especially in last 24 hours. So I am so happy because my brother, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time this coin is also moving upward more and more, but the current condition is going to be very critical. And my brother, if you can see here, especially after this jump they again fails down. So therefore I alert you, I tell you, all of you my brothers, to don't see this short fail, this short jump. I'm 100% sure that they will give you a very good profit at the end of month if you hold it. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.